कार्निवालाची परेड पणजेच्यान मिरामार व्हरतना पणजे महानगरपालिकेक काळखात दवरल्या अशें पणजेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी सांगलें. तशेंच पणजे मार्केटाच्या पेंडींग विजेच्या बिलावेल्यान वीज खात्यान 3 कोटी भरपाची मांग करपी नोटीस पणजे पालिकेक धाडल्या अशें फुर्तादो हांणी मुखार सांगलां. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
Carnival, we are kept in the dark completely because they are saying it's code of conduct. I was told and we were told that there was a meeting held actually in this very hall presided over by the commissioner. The reason is the code of conduct.
But now the code of conduct is not
No, I don't know.
participation.
No. Unless they have got instruction that you not involve them.
But mayor will oppose it. As mayor will oppose it.
So why should I let people abandon enjoy carnival? We have no ego. As long as the carnival is smooth, fair and good. We had ample of meetings with the market tenant association, shopkeepers. Everything is finalized. On the last meeting, they were supposed to come and sign, but somehow they said no. We have called for a meeting, and they say the meeting has never materialized. Probably they must be waiting that election will take place and they put pressure. No pressure will be put on this community pageant because today we have received. This is also news. Today, CCP has received a demand notice from the electricity department, Panji, to pay 3 crores as a power bill of the market. I don't know, my ATO came and showed me that. They must have given, whether they will disconnect because so many years they can't just with the common man they within 2 months they cut. Right from the time the market was inaugurated till date is 3 crores. I think sometime back they must have paid. But now this morning I was told that a demand notice has come to pay 3 crores rupees.